why it's not a good idea to get bids from contractors by just a test fit. I'm here to demonstrate multiple reasons why your price will change by getting that initial bid, and then once your drawings are complete. As you can see here, we're looking at a test fit. This is a project I'm working on, and as a contractor, when I'm bidding, I want to keep the cost low so I get the job. So what happens here when I'm looking at this test fit for everyone else, it's pretty simple. You're looking at the walls is the first thing we're going to look at. As you can see, I can see where the rooms are. You can see these are all walls, but here's where you're missing with the test fit. And every contractor can interpret differently if they want to fix their price based on how they want to fix the price. So these walls, I don't know from just by looking at this drawing how thick they are, what their widths are. I don't know if there's insulation in them or not. I don't know how tall this wall is. Is it going to the ceiling? Is it penetrating and going above the ceiling? Is it going all the way to the deck? Is it not going to the deck? I don't know if the walls are 24 inches, if the studs in the wall are 24 inches apart, are they 16 inches apart? Are they 12 inches apart? So these are important details that are missing, and therefore the contractors will bid differently as they don't have specific directions.